If your Google Chrome browser has been acting weird, running slowly, showing unexpected pop-ups, or just not working the way it used to, resetting it back to the default settings can be a really helpful fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change Google Chrome settings to default settings in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy way to restore Chrome to its original state without having to uninstall anything. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of your browser options and settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy and appearance to search engine and advanced options. Once you're on the settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down if needed and click Reset Settings. This section is specifically designed for restoring Chrome back to a clean default configuration. After clicking Reset Settings, you'll see an option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click that option to begin the reset process. Chrome will then show a pop-up window explaining exactly what will be changed. This usually includes things like resetting your startup page, new tab page, search engine, pinned tabs, and disabling extensions. It may also clear temporary data like cookies and site data while keeping your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords safe. Take a moment to review the message carefully so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click the blue Reset Settings button to confirm. Chrome will now apply the default settings and complete the reset. Depending on your browser and computer, this may only take a few seconds. Once the reset is finished, your Chrome browser should be back to its original default state, which can help solve issues caused by unwanted changes, problematic extensions, or browser misconfigurations. After that, you can reopen tabs, sign back into websites if needed, and continue browsing with a cleaner, more stable Chrome experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.